In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a subscription email list from Mautic. First, open your Mautic login page, sign in with your account credentials, and click Login to reach the dashboard. Once you're in, head to the Campaigns section. This is where we'll build the flow that sends your subscription email to a specific audience. Click New to create a fresh campaign. Give your campaign a clear descriptive name so you can find it later, and add a short description to capture the goal or audience for this send. This helps with reporting and team visibility. When you're ready, click Save, then select Launch Campaign Builder to open the visual canvas. Mautic will ask for a contact source. You can feed contacts from a campaign form or from existing segments. For a subscription email list, choose Segments, then pick the segment that contains your target recipients. If you haven't created that segment yet, pause and make sure it's set up with the right filters so only the correct subscribers are included. Confirm your selection by clicking Add. On the campaign canvas, click the plus icon to add your first event. Because we're sending an email, choose Action, then select Send Email. Give this action a name that reflects the message or purpose, such as Welcome Newsletter Send, so it's easy to recognize in logs. Next, set when to execute the event. For a straightforward broadcast, choose Immediately. If you prefer timing control, you can schedule it for a specific delay or time window, but Immediately is perfect for most subscription sends. Now select the email you want to send. Use the drop-down to pick an email you've already created in Mautic. If you don't see it, make sure the email is published and set as available for campaigns. Choose the email type. Transactional emails are for one-to-one or essential messages that should ignore unsubscribes, while marketing emails honor subscription preferences and are used for promotional or newsletter content. For a subscription list, marketing is typically the right choice. Then set a priority level to help Mautic order delivery if multiple events are queued. Configure the number of attempts to control automatic retries in case of temporary delivery issues. A small number of retries is usually sufficient. Click Add to place this action on your canvas. Review the flow, and if needed, you can add more actions, decisions, or conditions to refine your journey. When everything looks good, click Save to finalize your campaign. That's it, your subscription email send is now set up and ready to run through your selected segment.